welcome back. This is the last day of our newsletter business course where we're showing you in 30 days how to set up your newsletter business in order to make profits from day one. We're going to be talking about running ads today. This is a massive topic. I cannot cover it all in one video, so I'm just going to start off with an overview and also give you some AI tools that you can use to make the job easier. I want to say thank you to all those people that have been there for all 30 days. I've had a great time creating this for you and hearing your feedback on the course. As a thank you, I have a bonus lesson for you coming out tomorrow. That one is going to be following on from what we're going to be talking about today and how you can learn from your competitors in order to help you avoid making mistakes and therefore get you to making money and being profitable sooner. So check out that episode when it comes tomorrow. Now, I can't talk about, as I said, everything to do with ads in one video on YouTube, but I do have a resource that I want to show you. So when you are deciding to run ads, or if you want to learn more about running ads, then you can go through to that resource. So if you want more support and guidance from us on ads, we're not going to be able to put any ads content out for the rest of the year. We have lots and lots of content coming for you on newsletters, on blogging, on making money online, planned for the rest of the year. So if you want to get that information earlier, then come here. This is our website. You'll find the link down in the description. And all you need to do is sign up to our website. You become a member. You'll be able to access the members area. And that's where we go into everything that we cover on YouTube in more detail. So all you need to do is put your information in and you'll be able to get coupon codes as well. You can also check out the website. We have all the AI tools that you can review, see what other people think of them, get information on those. We have our Make Money Online ideas using AI and our newsletter as well, which you can sign up for as well. It's completely free, and you can see all of our past releases as well, so you can read through those and see what we've been talking about. So if you want some additional help or guidance when it comes to ads, newsletters, or AI, then feel free to access those. But as I said, what we're going to do today is talk about ads. Now, in our previous video, we talked about ads on Beehive, and that's definitely the easier way to do it if you are a beginner. But if you don't want to have your newsletter on Beehive, maybe you've got it somewhere else, or you want to run ads on top of Beehive, then that's what I want to help you with today. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know where your audience is. Now, we talked about this earlier on in the course, how you want to go away and find your audience. So go back and check out that video. The full playlist, the whole course is down in the description. But once you know where your audience are, I mean, it could be Pinterest, they could be on Facebook, they might be on IG, they might be on TikTok, they might be on LinkedIn, and they might be on Google. Wherever they are, you need to be marketing organically to them about your newsletter. But then what you can also do as well is you can start to run ads. So you want to start off with one platform. Now, newsletter subscribers on ads are not going to be cheap. You're looking at most of the numbers people throw around who are experts in this are going to be using $2, $3, $4 minimum per subscriber. So you're going to need to have some money in order to be able to invest into ads when we're doing them off the Beehive platform. Not only that, but you need to teach yourself about ads as well. But before you do that, the best thing to do before you go down the idea of whether you're going to run ads or not is we need to do some competitor research. Find out if your competitors are running ads, because if they're not, it's going to mean one of two things. Either it's not worth it because it's too expensive, or they just haven't got around to it yet. And you need to figure out which one of those is the reason. So you need to go away and do some competitor research, and this is going to save you money as well, because if you know what kind of ads are working for your competitors and also on which platforms they're working, then that's going to save you money, because you can go away and you can study their ads, and then you can run similar ads that you know are going to work. You can run similar offers for your newsletter. You can use similar creatives, similar copy, and you can use AI to do this for you as well. I'm going to show you some AI tools that are going to help you with your competitor research. But I'm going to show you some methods now. I'll start off with free, and then we're going to have a look at some paid methods, as I said. So let's start with the free methods. So once you've worked out where your audience is, we want to see if your competitors are actually advertising on those platforms. Now, there are individual ways that you can search on each of these platforms for ads. Some of them are easier than others. One way you can do it is by using hashtags. So within most of these platforms, you can search for hashtags, and they'll probably include something like ad. The hashtag might say sponsored or sponsored post. It might say promotion. It might seem as seen on. So you want to go away, find out what kind of hashtags are used on that particular platform. As I said, within our members area, we give you a lot more guidance on this kind of thing. The other thing you can do is you can go into the ads libraries, and I want to show you two of these now. So this is the ads library for Facebook. I'll leave a link down into the description. And as you can see, I'm within the ads library. I picked my country, I picked that I want to search all ads, and I've taken a look at e-com. You've then got some additional filters that you can take a look at, but you can see here I've got all ads within the e-com niche, and I can scroll through and I can see hundreds and hundreds of ads. But not only that, I can see the name of the Facebook page that's running them, and I can also see some information as well. So I can see this is active and been running since the 6th of October. I can see which platforms it is running on as well. I can see 3 ads use this creative and text. I can click on here to see summary details, and then I can see the ad itself, and I go away and I can watch the ad. And I can see this for all of these. As I said, I can just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. These ones have been running since the 29th of August. This one have been running since the 7th of October. So as you can see, we can go away and we can study what's working in our niche. So if you've got a particular niche that you're targeting, or if you want to look at your actual newsletter, so for example, crypto newsletter, you might want to search that, and you can see what the ads are, you can see details about them, and you can find out more information. And as I said, you can watch them as well. So that's one way you can study ads on Facebook. Even if your audience aren't on Facebook, you might be able to see common themes, common patterns that you want to copy. And as I said, I'm going to show an AI tool at the end that will do this kind of thing for you. Another one you've got is TikTok. TikTok also has an ads library. Link again will be down in the description. Just fill out the details. This one I've gone for health and fitness. And again, I can see the ads that are running. I can see the type of ads. You can see here a lot of UGC content is on TikTok, but then you can go through, look at the copy, look at the videos, and then decide if you want to put an ad together that is similar and run that on TikTok, or whether you want to copy it over and use it on a different platform. One of the things you do need to consider when you are running ads and when you're doing competitor research is that running ads is huge and it's expensive if you don't do it the right way. So you might want to think about, is this something I want to do? Like once you've done your competitor research, is this something I can do and I've also got the time in order to be able to do it and to figure this out myself, or do I want to pay somebody? So when we have clients come to us and they talk to us about newsletters and they book into one of our initial consultancy strategy sessions where we look at their business and we decide whether they want to work with us or not, or whether newsletters is the right idea for them, then this is one of the things we talk about, because you can find a lot of information out there for free and try and model it yourself, but there will be methods that the experts know that you don't. And even though you can find a lot of information out there, these people are not going to share everything with you. So for example, we have quite an awesome method that we know about that we don't share on the channel, for example, or with the public in general. So we have methods that we use that help us get newsletter subscribers, methods we know about that work and lower those costs down that we wouldn't necessarily share everywhere, and other people won't be sharing either. So you need to decide whether it's the best use of your time and your money to do it yourself, or whether you get somebody else to do it for you and you outsource. That's not a decision I can make for you, but while you're doing your competitor research, then you can try and figure that out. But whether you're doing it or whether somebody else is doing it for you, AI tools can help you out. The AI tool I want you to check out today is called Big Spy. And the reason Big Spy is such a great tool is, first of all, it does have free options for you. So it says it's the best and affordable ads library. It says whether you need to spy on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Pinterest, or any of these other places, then Big Spy has got you covered. And it is really, really a great tool for being able to do that competitor research and help you pick out what your competitors are doing in terms of newsletter and what you can model it on if you are going to go down the route of doing this for yourself. So you can see all the features, but you can see here, these are all the different ad spies that they have that you can use. And like I said, like there's some platforms where it's quite difficult to find out what ads are running. And so using a tool like this can really, really help you out. And they've got tons and tons of features as well that you can use in terms of top charts and new trending ads as well. So this is definitely something worth coming along to, checking out and using. And with their pricing at the moment, if you go down, again, the link will be in the description. They do have this very cool limited time offer for just $1 for 3 days. You could do some real deep dive industry research, find out what everyone's doing, take some screenshots of some ads that are working or bookmarks and pages, and then you'll be able to get some information for just $1, and then you can stop using this, or you can decide you might want to go down to the $9 plan that will give you enough information. As I said, you might want to stick with the Pro for an additional month for $19, and then you can just cancel after that. You do get discounts if you want to go yearly, but again, you might decide you don't have the budget to do that. But the 6th month Pro plan, $79 for all that information. That's going to save you money in the long run because you're finding out what your competitors are doing, and it's going to help you work out whether ads are the right thing for you to do or not. I mean, if your competitor research makes you feel like ads aren't the best thing for your newsletter business at the moment, then don't run ads. There's no reason to. But you might find that actually, if you've got the money, that $3-4 per subscriber is going to lead to more money with more sales, which means overall you're making more money than you're spending. The other thing I should mention with ads as well is ads take a little while to get going and for the algorithm to figure out what they're doing. And there's also things that, you know, the experts know about ads that you won't know straight away, and that people don't share on, you know, for free on places like YouTube. So you might find that your ads end up being very expensive and your subscribers are costing you way more than that, you know, $10, $20, $30. But over time, things should get better. And again, you might decide you want to outsource to somebody who knows what they're doing and you don't want to take that risk, or you might decide ads aren't the right thing for you. But using AI tools to do that competitor research and help you make that decision is definitely something that I would recommend doing. So there is another competitor tool. This one that I want to share with you tomorrow actually helps you identify newsletters. It's competitor research on newsletters within your niche, so you can find out what they're doing within their newsletter in order to help you improve your newsletter. So what will happen is you will produce a better newsletter based on that competitor research, and you're going to have a longer lifetime for each of your subscribers. They're going to hang around for longer. That gives you longer to turn them from a subscriber, a free subscriber, into a paid subscriber. That's whether they click on an affiliate link, they buy a product from you, maybe they're joining your paid membership, all those ideas we talked about for monetization right at the beginning of this course. But if you're doing more of what was working for your competitors, then what's going to happen is you're going to write a better newsletter, you're going to have subscribers hanging around for longer, and they're more likely to be able to be monetizable, and you can make money from them. So stick around for that video that's coming out tomorrow. If you found any value from this, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.